Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix something happened and we couldn't start the upgrade to Windows 11 or 10 Pro. So to resolve this issue, firstly click on Start, then Settings. Now scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Now here guys you have to click on Other Troubleshooters. Then here click on Windows Update Run. Now follow the instruction which you see in this screen. So hopefully guys it will work and it will fix. In case it's not working, so try second method. Click on Start, type CMD, right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Now type here this simple command line sfc space slash scan now. Now press enter. Now guys it will take couple of minutes, so complete this scanning, and once this scanning process will complete, restart your PC. So hopefully guys after restart you can fix and you can resolve. Something happened and we couldn't start the upgrade to Windows 11 or 10 Pro problem. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and this method work for you or not.